Hello everyone, welcome to next Arduino tutorial. So today we will discuss about EEPROM in Arduino board. Okay, now EEPROM stands for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. In Arduino board, EEPROM acts as a tiny hard drive. Okay, it retains the value even the Arduino board is powered off. As you know, I am using Arduino Uno board and it has 1 KB EEPROM memory. Okay. Now let's understand how it works. Here's my programming section. First of all, include the header file, which is eeprom.h. Okay. Now write the void setup serial dot begin 9600. Okay. Now let's do our void loop section. Okay. As you know, I am using Arduino Uno board and it has 1 kilobyte EEPROM memory, which gives rise 1024 bytes. Okay, which means 0 to 1023 bytes. Okay. Alright. Now, first of all, what does it mean? It means you have 1024 different memory locations in your Arduino board. Okay, you can write any value in this memory location. Okay, first of all, let's write our value eeprom.write. Just choose any memory location you want. Let's say 103. First of all, address. Okay, address is my 1023, which is my memory location. Okay, comma, write on your data. Okay, so make sure your data should be of 8-bit, which means maximum 255 because it is 8-bit microcontroller. Okay, so for example, I'm writing 200. Okay, that's right. Now suppose if I have to read this memory location, then you need to write eeprom.read. Just write the memory location, okay, and store into a new variable, let's say 12. Okay, now just print the variable. Okay, let's add some delay. Let's see how it works. First of all, let me freeze this. Now upload your board on Arduino board. Sorry, code. Okay, my program has been uploaded. Now let's freeze this and upload once again. Okay, my code has been uploaded. Now open the serial monitor. You see 200. Okay, I have written 200 in 1023 memory location. Now I'm reading just memory location. Okay, now if I change the value, okay, let's say 255. Okay, now upload your code. If you open the serial monitor, nothing should be there. Okay, first of all, I'm again freezing this. Now once again upload your code, and you know my last value was 200. Let's see our new value, which is 255. Okay, my value has been overwritten. Okay, if you choose a different memory location, let's say 167. Okay, also write Okay, now it's time to read, so just write 167. Okay, upload your code. Here's my value. Okay, that's it. Now, as I have already told you that it is 8-bit microcontroller, if you write any value greater than 255, let's say 256, okay, now what would be happen? Okay, now same time I am writing or reading the value. Alright, it will get back to 0. Alright, so suppose if I read any other memory location, let's say 15, now what would be the result? Let's say I haven't write anything in memory location 15. I'm just reading something from this memory location, and it will give rise to 255. Okay, that's it. Now if you want to erase the all memory location first, just write for in I equals to 0, I less than equals to 1023, and I plus plus. Just write EEPROM dot write I 0. Okay, it will clear all the memory location and write 0. Okay, now upload your code. As you know, void setup runs only once through the whole program. Okay, now upload your code and open the serial monitor. You will notice 0 value coming from 15, and let's check it. 167 I haven't tried because I have already freeze the statement. What would be the result? Now upload your code and open the serial monitor. 0. Alright, so that's it. Now let's do our next exercise.